lost to time deep in the forest. This legendary gullwing lay waiting to be saved. Nature claimed its prize, burying history under layers of moss and heavy rust. But today, the journey to rebirth begins. We pull it from its green grave. First step, high pressure blasts away decades of decay, revealing the original lines. A total detox. Thick, active foam dissolves the stubborn grime of the past. In the workshop, we strip it down piece by piece. Every bolt matters here. The iron heart is given new life, transforming old oil and rust into polished chrome. We strip the body down to bare metal, a raw canvas, ready for perfection. The classic silver returns, applied layer by layer until it becomes liquid mirror. The interior is reborn in deep red leather, hand-stitched to match its glory days. The final touch, chrome wire wheels are locked in. The king is ready. A masterpiece returns to the road. This is the art of restoration.